Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to register Fifth Third bank account online. The first thing I want you to do is actually go to their website, and then here you can just go click on personal or business, whichever account you want to go ahead and register. Then click here on open an account and it'll redirect you right here. If you are new, just go ahead and enter your primary email, your zip code, and if you have an offer code, this is completely optional. You can enter that right here and then click on get started. Okay, and after that, what I want you to do is make sure you have these ready, because you will need to provide your social security number to verify identity. You need to scan, your driver's license or state ID. You'll need to upload a photo for this, and you'll need a mobile phone with a camera, because they'll send you a link which you need to click on and then go ahead and take the photos. And come here, click on I'm ready, and then you enter your mobile number right here. Okay, they'll actually send you a text message that will include a link. You tap on that link, you follow the instructions on the screen. Basically, you're just using your phone's camera to scan your state issued ID. Okay, then you come back here, you complete the application process, and then they'll actually email you the login details once you get approved, and you can use your user ID and password to go ahead and log in. They're really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.